Are you looking for the best wheelbarrow in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best wheelbarrow that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WORX WGZO50 Aerocart 8-in-1 2-wheel wheelbarrow. The WORX Aerocart is our best choice of a wheelbarrow in today's article for a series of reasons, one of which includes its exceptional service and functionality. This is an 8-in-1 wheelbarrow unit that offers multiple purposes to owners. It can be used as a yard cart as well as a wheelbarrow depending on your needs. This narrow wheelbarrow features adaptability that enables users to change its design to fulfill a myriad of purposes as and when they please. The Aerocart wheelbarrow features design elements such as flat free tires, which are also oversized, an all-steel construction that enhances its durability, and a pair of fold-out extension arms. The WORX Aerocart wheelbarrow is the best wheelbarrow for all your activities that require the transport of goods and other items. It saves you time while undertaking up to 8 different functions for you. Professionals build the fold-out extension arms with help from modern innovative technologies to help carry items such as straw bales, flower pots, mulch bags, and other heavy and awkward items. Up next in the 4th place is the Marathon Yard Rover 2-tire wheelbarrow garden cart. It's not difficult to make a good wheelbarrow. It needs to have big wheels that can traverse rough ground, a durable tray made from high-quality materials, and a comfortable handle. The Marathon Yard Rover has all 3. The large air-filled wheels make it super easy to move around, and it's better balanced than your average wheelbarrow. The rust-proof poly tray has a load capacity of 300 pounds and a total space of 5 cubic feet. The loop handle makes it easy to push, pull, and dump the contents. Also, weighing just 25 pounds, it's around 25% lighter than the average wheelbarrow. The 3rd product on our list is the Polar Trailer 80-49 heavy-duty wheelbarrow. They have launched the Polar Trailer Cub Cart, a heavy-duty wheelbarrow manufactured with a 400 pounds load capacity and a 7 cubic meter tub design meant to help users haul and transport all their essential materials and objects from one location to the other. It features wide track tires that are flat-free in design. These tires increase the durability of your product and also extends its lifespan to make it usable for more extended periods. The Polar Trailer Cub Cart has engineering that makes it high impact. Also, it is both crack and rust-proof, which means it will be around for long. On its own, this wheelbarrow is regarded as the lightest hauling product on the market and the most substantial duty cart you will ever find. It is well suited for your lawn duties and can deal with all your landscape rocks and firewood. Assembling this small wheelbarrow after a purchase is straightforward and storage is pure due to its size. It is the best wheelbarrow for people in need of a rugged and durable cart for all their hauling needs. Second on our list is the Polar Trailer 18376 wheelbarrow. The Polar Trailer Utility Cart is another great wheelbarrow product on the market. Many satisfied customers rave about its functionality and also recommend it for those who need a smooth movement of load within the shortest possible time. This beautiful cart features a load size of 10 cubic feet with a load capacity of 400 pounds. With full dimensions, the Polar Trailer Cart can carry all your loads, which may include bricks, rocks, and many others. Alone, this unit weighs 49 pounds and comes with a tub made from high-impact polyethylene. The Polar Trailer Utility Cart features a rugged hauling design that increases its appeal to many potential users. It is regarded as the ideal hauling product for all items needed for a camp or outdoor event. It can move all your stuff from your car's trunk to the camping site without any fault. Its engineering has been done such that it is easy to assemble and pull apart. It features ball-bearing hubs for smoother operation, with its wheels being produced from solid rubber tires. These wheels are also spoked in design, and they are flat-free, which increases the durability of your wheelbarrow. Finally, the top product on our list is True Temper 6 FT Steel Wheelbarrow. The True Temper Steel Wheelbarrow, one amazing wheelbarrow you would want to possess after you see it. This wheelbarrow is merely incredible. It is available in two distinct models, one with a single wheel and another with two wheels. The choice is left to you to make because each model is exceptional in its way. The True Temper cart can be used not only as a cart, but also as a garden cart for all your tools and plants. It is made with steel or plastic and is considered by many users as the most massive brand on the market in recent time. Besides its weight, it has proven to many that it delivers a hassle-free use to users and also features extended durability. The True Temper Steel Wheelbarrow comes with tires that never get flat, saving you the hassle of spending on tire replacements every other year. It can be used in commercial industries and also in the comfort of your home to haul heavy loads from anywhere to everywhere with ease and within the shortest possible time. There is an optional kit that can be purchased by owners to enable them to convert their one-wheel unit into a two-wheel product for more stability. Concerning the handles that aid in movement and offloading, the True Temper cart has its handles made from durable steel, and this means you don't have to worry about them getting brittle or splintered, as hardwood handles tend to get. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.